He's chasing. Toigoni, list. That's why he gets lost. Does Fasigubi, because he's chasing a leaf. Yeah? Let's have a look. While Mama hangs the washout and Papa rakes the leaves, Oliver chases a big yellow leaf. Vish, there's the leaf. He's chasing the leaf, isn't he? And he's looking to catch the leaf, but the wind is blowing it away. Down the hill, Dol Puchoma. Biagas Lindlister. Can you see? He's just he's chasing it. Around a clumpy bush, there's the leaflet, there it is. Under a twisty tree and all the way to the edge of the woods. Ah, what's that? It's a squirrel. A squirrel. A squirrel. And there's the leaflet. It's just this. Chases the leaf right to the edge of the woods. Oliver looks for the leaf. No leaf. No leaf. Oliver looks for his house. No house. Mama, Papa. Oliver calls, and he begins to run. Watch for the Biaga teacher. He runs to a tree. It's not the twisty tree. He runs to a bush. It's not the clumpy bush. All about the edge of the woods. Oliver starts to cry. And he's lost. There's a goob in there, Oliver. Goobers, yeah. He's lost. He starts to cry. Oliver cries and cries and cries. But he's still lost. He means to say, Oliver rubs his nose. Как си мисли? Така. Знаеш какво правя? Аз правя така.
Let's see now.
Ти как мислиш, ти? Какво правиш като мислиш? Ели, ти какво правиш като мислиш? Ти така правиш на носмеците?
Май си бъркала в носа.
Oliver rubs his nose and begins to think. He thinks and thinks and thinks.
Yavor, are you comfortable enough?
Thinking. All about the edge of the woods, Oliver has an idea. Ima idea. Roar! You do it as well. Ти можеш ли така да правиш като мечка? Ели, ти можеш ли да правиш звук на мечка? That's what Oliver does. He makes a roar. Even louder, още по-силно. Yes, look, yes. Още по-силно, виж, even louder. From far away, under a tree, around the bush and up the hill, Oliver hears Mama roaring back. И чува Mama. Тя също го прави отдалече. И той я чува. Roaring back. Oliver hears Papa. И чува тати. Той също ръмжи.
Yes.
He hears him roaring back. So, Oliver runs and runs and runs under the twisty tree, around the clumpy brush, up the hill, all the way to his very own house, with a pile of leaves and the wash on the line. He finds all the way home to Mama and Papa. With tumble-down hooks, tumble-down hooks, and a big yellow leaf just for Oliver. They found a big yellow leaf just for Oliver. What a lovely story.
Yes.